Hi. Welcome back. In this video I will show how to color grade a video by using Kinemaster mobile application. Before and after color grading.
Pretty girl writing love songs, but they never fall.
Let's start editing. Open Kinemaster. Add the video to color grade and analyze the brightness and contrast and saturation of the video selected.
Never know what to do. Maybe she's a girl who never found the words to tell you what's been going on.
Go to color filter. Select warm in that W11 to 50. Go to adjustments. Brightness to 50. Contrast to 31. Saturation to 41. Vibrance to 6. Check whether there is any change. Before color grading.
You would say there ain't nothing that she wouldn't do. So you just hold it till it's over. Need the way she needs you.
After color grading.
She's a girl who never found the words to tell you what's been going on. And right behind those eyes, those memories start to blind. So she never asked the sky for God. And maybe she's not right, she's trapped inside of my.
Thank you for watching.